ক্লাস 9, 10 আৰু 12 25,000ৰো অধিক ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰী এতিয়া জ্ঞান পাণ্ডা এপত শিকি আছে উচ্চ মানদণ্ডৰ শিক্ষাৰ বাবে এতিয়া ডাউনলোড কৰক জ্ঞান পাণ্ডা এপ
Hello guys, welcome again to the learning app Gyan Panda. So in the last video we have discussed BPT, that is the basic proportionality theorem. Today we will discuss the converse part of BPT. Alright? So the theorem is, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side of the triangle. So first let me remind you the basic proportionality theorem. Okay, মই আকৌ এবাৰ basic proportionality theorem to কি আছিল মই just এবাৰ কৈ আছো. In a triangle ABC, suppose if DE parallel to BC, then by basic proportionality theorem we can say that AD by BD is equals to AE by EC, right? Okay, now the converse part is what? If a line divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, that means at a triangle a side duta, that means AB and AC যদি same ratio divide হয়, যদি same ratio divide হয়, that means যদি আমাক এই পোরশনটো দিয়া থাকে AD by BD equals to AE by EC, then we can say that the line is parallel to the third side of the triangle. তেতিয়া হলে আমি by converse of basic proportionality theorem we can say that DE is parallel to BC. Alright? In the basic proportionality theorem DE is parallel to BC দিয়া থাকে আৰু আমি proof কৰিব লাগে AD by BD is equals to AE by EC, and in the converse of basic proportionality theorem AD by BD equals to AE by EC বুলি দিয়া থাকে আমি proof কৰিব লাগিব কি DE is parallel to BC বুলি. Alright? To do the proof we have to do one construction. Okay? আমি এই proof to contradictory method ৰে কৰিম. Okay, so that means what? আমি DE parallel to BC বুলি proof কৰিব লাগে. First আমি DE is not parallel to BC বুলি আমি ধৰি লম. ঠিক আছে, লাষ্টত আমি দেখাম যে কি বুলি আমাৰ assumption টো wrong হয়. হ্যাঁ, DE must be parallel to BC. Alright, that is contradictory method. আমি first কি বুলি ধৰিম DE is not parallel to BC. যদি DE BC parallel নহয়, that means there must have one parallel line to BC, right? BC যিকোনো এটা লাইন to BC ৰ লগত parallel হোৱা এটা লাইন আমি draw কৰিব পাৰিব লাগিব, right? So suppose this point take this point E dash. Suppose this line is what? This line is parallel to BC. If possible, take DE dash is parallel to BC. DE is not parallel to BC. If possible, let DE dash is parallel to BC. Here we have a given AD by BD is equals to AE by EC. It is given, right? আমাকে এটা দিয়া আছে, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio divide হোৱা বুলি আমাক দিয়া আছে, এটা আমাৰ equation number 1. Now আমি কি বুলি লৈছো DE is a parallel line to BC. Since DE dash আমি কি বুলি লৈছো DE dash is parallel to BC. Since DE dash is parallel to BC, so by Thales theorem Thales theorem, we can say what? AD by BD is equals to AE dash by CE dash, right? AE dash by CE dash, alright? By Thales theorem, we can say it. Okay, so now see, from equation 1 and 2, if we compare these two equations, then we will get what? Left hand is equal. Then obviously the right hands will be equal. Suppose if A equals to 5 and B is also equals to 5, then we can say what? We can say A is also equals to B, right? So this is how from 1 and 2 we can get what? From 1 and 2 we can write what? AE dash by EC equals to AE by EC is equals to AE dash by CE dash. Now if we add 1 to the both sides, then what we will get? We will get AE by AE plus EC divided by EC equals to CE AE dash plus CE dash divided by CE dash. Okay, do you have any problem on this? Let me give one example. Okay, suppose 2 by 3 plus 1. What is 2 by 3 plus 1? If we take LCM of 3 and here in the denominator, what we can consider? Here we have 1, right? So what will be the LCM? LCM is 1. 3 1s are 3, 1 2s are 2. And here 1 3s are 3, 3 1s are 3, right? So normal addition we are doing here. Okay, so it is AE plus EC divided by EC. AE plus EC. AE plus EC. So we can write AE plus EC equals to what we get if we add AE and EC, we will get AC, right? AC. And here we will get what? Same case AC, right? AC. See, AE dash plus E dash C. What it will be? It will be AC only, right? And here AE plus EC. It will be AC only, right? Okay. So finally, in a fraction, suppose 5 by A equals to 5 by B. These two fractions are equal. So in these two fractions, we can say what? We can say if these two fractions are equal and the numerator to amar ki hoy equal hoy, that means the denominators bilak ki hobo must be equal hobo lagibo, hoy na noy? Ami proof koribo paro keneke 5 we can cancel out these two 5s, right? So if we cross multiply this A and this B, we will get what? A equals to B, right? So we can say what? EC is equals to C dash. EC is equals to C dash. Yes, right? So can it be possible EC is equals to CE dash? Can it be possible? It cannot be possible. Can it be equal to A line to aru A line to logot equal hobo pare niki? Keteo equal hobo nore, right? So A duta line ki karone ami equal bili paisu, yet ami ki karone equal bili paisu? Because of our wrong assumption, right? Because of our wrong assumption, we can write what? Which is not possible. Which is not possible, right? This is not possible. It can be possible only when E and E dash coincide each other. Coincide each other. This cannot be possible, right? Which cannot be possible? It can be possible only when E and E dash coincide each other. That means what? E aru E dash jodi duta beleg point nohoy, sihot duta jodi etai point hoy, tetia hole he ei bostu to amar ki hobo possible hobo. So E aru E dash jodi etai point hoy, tetia hole ami kobo parim ne je DE dash is parallel to BC boli ami loisilo, ami etia kobo parim je DE is parallel to BC. Therefore we can say what? DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. Alright? So this is the proof. So first, amak ki dia asil? Amak dia ase je AD by BD in a triangle ABC, AD by BD is equals to AE by EC. That means a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. Then we need to prove here, the two proof is DE is parallel to BC. We need to prove DE is parallel to BC. Alright? So tar karone ami ki korilu? Ami ki dhori lolu? Ami dhori lolu je DE is not parallel to BC. Jodi DE dal parallel nohoy BC logot, that means there must be one line which will be parallel to BC. Okay, so ami dhorilu ki DE dash be parallel to BC. DE dash any line which is parallel to BC. So it is given, right? So ami ki palu DE dash parallel to BC boli dhorilu. So Thales theorem by Thales theorem we can say what? AD by BD is equals to AE dash by CE dash. AD by BD is equals to AE dash by CE dash. Kyo? Karon DE dash is parallel to BC. Okay. From equation 1 and 2 jodi ami compare koru ki hol left hand side equal ase, that means right hand side must be equal. So right hand side equal korilu. So amar ki korilu ami 1 eta add korilu. Ami yate ei hint to keneke pam je ami 1 to add koribo lage. So ami ki koribo goi asu swa, ami EC equals to CE dash koribo goi asu. EEC equals to CE dash koribo goi asu. Ei bostu to just mono rakhiba. So ami jete EC equals to CE, that means denominator to jete equal koribo goi asu, that means ki amar numerator part to amar equal dekhabo lagibo. Numerator part to ami equal koribo lagibo anyhow. So numerator part to ami ketia equal koribo parim? AE asil amar logot, tar logot EC plus korile amar ki hobo? AC pam. আৰু AE dash আছিল তাৰ লগত is E dash plus কৰিলে আমি AC পাম. সো আমি কি দেখিলো যে যদি আমি +1 কৰি দিও তেতিয়া হলে আমাৰ ইয়াতে আহিব কি AE plus EC আৰু ইয়াতে আহিব AE dash plus CE dash, which will be AC and here also will be AC. Okay, here the finally the fraction become AC by EC, AC by CE dash. Alright, so EC আৰু CE dash কি হৈ গল আমাৰ equal হয়. So can it be possible? It cannot be possible because a line to aru a to line kito equal hobo nare because edal horu edal dangor ami dekhile gom pai asu. A to possible hoy, a to equal hobo pare only when E and E dash coincide each other. Jetia E aru E dash ki hobo overlap kore itu hitur uporot pore. That means E aru E dash duita beleg point nohoy etai point hoy. যদি E আৰু E dash দুটা বেলেগ point নহয় তেতিয়া হলে আমি কি ক'ব পাৰো DE is parallel to BC. Alright, in the next video we will do the 7 examples. Alright, আমি next video আমি কি কৰিম examples বিলাক কৰিম, then আমি exercise লৈ যাম. But before then, see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching the video.
সকলো বিষয়ৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ ভিডিও আৰু প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ নোটছ আদি পাবৰ বাবে প্লে ষ্টৰৰ পৰা এতিয়াই জ্ঞান পাণ্ডা এপটো ডাউনলোড কৰক।